When you are preparing for RBI Grade B, you can also prepare for exams like SEBI Grade A, NABARD Grade A Grade B, NPS Grade A Grade B, and many others. Hello everyone, welcome to iExam B. My name is Chandra Prakash Joshi, and in this video I am telling you how these organizations of repute provide you an excellent career opportunities, and at the same time you can prepare for these exams simultaneously. RBI Grade B, is an excellent job. You have good salary, very good perks and allowances being in RBI. Place of postings are also headquartered Mumbai or in state capitals where RBI offices are there, and work profile is primarily the central banking functions. I have detailed in several other videos. RBI being the monetary authority, regulator and supervisor of the banking system and payment system. You will be working for that. Very good career prospects. You can reach to the top level of management, including 2 deputy governors. Today there are 3 deputy governors who have joined as RBI Grade B. If you compare that with SEBI Grade A, there is not much difference. Though you join as an assistant manager in SEBI, therefore the scale of assistant manager Grade A will apply, but perks, allowances, posting in state capitals and headquartered in Mumbai, and the role. SEBI's role is actually very dynamic and it's changing very fast as the securities market is changing. SEBI recruits only at Grade A level, so you have similar prospects. You can reach to very top level in the organization because they are not recruiting at Grade B. Why I am saying this? Because I have realized many a time people say I want to work with RBI because it is a Grade B level. But if you are recruiting only at Grade A, they only will become Grade B, C, D. I am repeating, if you are preparing for RBI and eligible for SEBI Grade A, must prepare. I will tell you the exam pattern. Similarly, NABARD, Development Financial Institution. It recruits mostly at Grade A level, but sometime at Grade B level. NABARD has been carved out of RBI. Similar perks, posting again, mostly in state capitals, only at District Development Manager level, which will happen, may not be for all, but few of you who will become District Development Manager DDMs. Then you may be posted at district headquarters, otherwise again, similar kind of posting and same perks and allowances they copy from RBI. As I said, it has been carved out of RBI. The role also is developmental and supervisory role. In fact, if you have interest in development finance, working in NABARD may be very interesting for you. Can grow up to the top level in the management. We will be doing more sessions on the career prospect in respective organizations with the experts, those who have reached to top level. NPS Grade A, Grade B vacancies, now you know. Similarly, here also you have similar kind of pay and perk posting because it's a non-profit organization, so you have a developmental role, very good career prospects. More important is how to get these jobs. Jobs are very good, everybody agrees. If you see the exam pattern of RBI Grade B, and many of you must be applying, for phase 1 you will be doing QRE plus general awareness with more focus on banking and financial awareness, and for phase 2 you have to study economic and social issues, English descriptive paper you have to type, and finance and management. This time RBI has made it 50% objective, 50% descriptive, and then 20% weightage is of interview. Your final selection happens from your phase 2 score and your interview score. Phase 1 is only clarifying exam. You have to go to phase 2 based on this, but this is most difficult to crack. And now you compare this syllabus with SEBI Grade A. Here in phase 1 you have again these QRE, quantitative aptitude, reasoning and English, and general awareness with more focus on financial awareness, which all is there in RBI. What extra you are studying in SEBI is commerce, accountancy and Companies Act. Because this management, finance, economics is also there in RBI, in ESI and FM, but in SEBI it comes also in the phase 1 while it was only in phase 2 in RBI. In phase 2 then in SEBI you have same English descriptive as you have in RBI, and 6 topics same what you prepare for phase 1. Costing is also there, but a large part of this you must have seen this time's paper. So many people saying a lot of questions came out of syllabus because they ask questions not directly from, not all I mean to say, not all questions directly from the books, but also on the practical aspect. As I keep on repeating, they are looking for recruiting officers, not simply accountant or economist. Here the interview weightage is 15%. Now compare this with NABARD. Quantitative aptitude, reasoning, English, general awareness, all this has been preparing in all these exams. Slight difference come in computers. So 20 marks. I think the kind of questions asked in computer, what is CPU and what is RAM, we all know nowadays. Then ESI, in RBI also there is ESI, in SEBI also there is economics. So here there will be more focus on the social issues, especially related to rural economy, because NABARD's scope of work is there. There is a paper on agri and rural development in phase 1, and same this ESI and ARD is there also in phase 2. And English descriptive, again 100 marks, same RBI, SEBI, NABARD. Everywhere this English descriptive is coming. The difference will come here in agri. You have to study things related to agriculture and rural economy, which is mostly related to some data and important thing happening in the agriculture. Extra preparation, if I compare, say, taking RBI grade B as a base, will be like 20 to 30%. The interview weightage here is lesser, only 11%. And this is grade A. Now compare with NPS. This is excellent opportunity. They are recruiting both at grade A and grade B level. Grade A, QRE and general awareness is common. Computers, like in case of NABARD, it is there. And then directly you have GD and interview. You do not have any phase 2, so this exam is counting 70% in your selection. GD is counting 10% weightage and interview is counting 20%. No descriptive exam, no phase 2 exam. For grade B in NPS, again 200 marks, phase 1 exam similar to what it is in grade A of NPS or what it is in NABARD. Or you can say SEBI and RBI, only computers is there if you compare with SEBI and RBI. Basic knowledge of the computers, and this becomes your phase 1 exam, which is required to be clear to go to phase 2. In phase 2, again you are facing this descriptive English, which is in all these exams. You have to type with the help of keyboard, and Commerce, Accountancy, Management, Finance, Costing, Companies Act. Economics, same you have been studying for SEBI grade A. Pension sector is added because you are talking about pension sector here. This becomes your phase 2 exam of 200 marks, which is 70% weightage in your selection. In grade B, they have given 10% weightage to experience also. This is desirable criteria. You are a fresher, you can very well apply, but then you have to score higher, because somebody who has work experience will get some marks here which you may not get. Interview is 20%. You may pause the video here. Look at this exam pattern in one shot. Make this picture in your mind. And also keep this picture in your mind. You are looking for a good job, a very good job that provides you good salary, good perks, good place of posting, a very good career and work profile. When you are appearing in one exam, why you are not appearing in others? The strategy is, don't put all your eggs in one basket. The syllabus is very similar. You have seen that. It makes all wise sense to apply for more exam. Exam happens on different dates. If this year we talk, we know that RBI exam is happening on 6th of March. For NPS, dates are still not known. NABARD notification has not yet come. Right now the phase 2 of the SEBI is yet to happen. The point here is, whatever this 20-30% difference in the syllabus, that you can cover in the space you have between the exams, and you increase your chances of selection, because competition is very, very tough. Very, very tough. Most of you who are listening this video are not going to clear phase 1, but those who are consistent are going to make the career. Remember, Rome was not built in a day. Opposition will come your way, but the harder battle you see, it's the sweeter the victory. We at iExamB provide you the best faculty and best content prepared by the experts who have cleared multiple exams, with whom you can interact in live classes and ensure your selection. Every one of us have to find out our own strategy to crack the exam. And we mentor you, guide you, train you for that, for making government job exam easy. Welcome to iExamB. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Share the video if you like it.